When customers first log into Rhino, you'll see this little screen here, which helps you to configure our product for your type of business. It's got three simple options. The first one is for customers that just want to upload their VAT spreadsheet to comply with Making Tax Digital. So if you use that option, all you do is you enter in your VAT number, you select the VAT scheme you're on, click connect, and this will connect the app to your HMRC Making Tax Digital account. At any point in time, you can click on the features button up at the top and you can change the configuration. So if you now want to use the app to record or to create invoices and track your expenses, then you can select this option here. So you're a VAT registered business and you want to create invoices and expenses, then you click update. So the system now will show you a nice dashboard that summarizes all of your invoices and all your expenses. You can enter in your customers that you wish to invoice, and then to create an invoice you just click on this button here and you can select the customer you want to invoice, type in the details, and you can input the net amount and it'll calculate the gross amount. It'll calculate the VAT and the gross amount. You can also do more advanced invoicing using detailed line items. If we click on the features button, so we have a lot of customers that aren't VAT registered, so if you click on this particular option, the system will quickly configure it. So it'll remove the Making Tax Digital VAT option, and if you now go to create an invoice, you'll see that there's no reference to VAT, and it's the same on expenses. So to summarize, very quick way of using the features button to quickly configure what option you need for your business. Having said that, we should also highlight that under the system settings, you could have, if you employ staff, you could set up multiple users. And we also have the concept of linking users to user profiles. So if we click on user profiles, the person that sets up Rhino at the start, they're always the administrator. So if we click on that, you can now easily enable all of these different features. So you can go in and create estimates using the system. You can track projects, create invoices, and track costs against projects or properties. You can do time recording. You can also use the e-commerce feature, and you can embed it in your website and sell your products using Rhino to process all the orders. You can also switch on all the accounting features and the live link to your bank account. So all of this is covered in other videos, but we'll just keep it nice and simple. So most people, when they start out, they use the features button up at the top to configure the system quickly to let them do what they need to do as quickly as possible.